Have you been wondering what sequence is all about? Might be wondering what is sequence? What is sequence about, really? In today's tutorial, I will be explaining what exactly sequence is all about. So I will implore you to listen very carefully so that you can grasp exactly what sequence is all about. At the end of this video, if you want to understand fully what sequence is all about, if you get any value from this video, do not hesitate to like, subscribe, and share to help support the channel. So if you look at this set of numbers, 5, 9, 13, 17, 21, and so on and so forth, continues like that with this 3 dots, it implies that it's a continuation of a set of numbers. If you look at this set of numbers, you find out that from 5 to 9, what is the difference? Is 4. From 9 to 13, the difference is 4. From 13 to 17, the difference is 4. From 17 to 21, the difference is 4. Now, this is a set of numbers. This is a set of numbers. So, the pattern or rule in which this set of numbers were obtained is known as sequence. The pattern or rule in which this set of numbers were obtained is known as sequence. If you look at this this second number now, which is 9, 4 was added to this first number, and each of these is called term. Each of these is called term. So this second number now, how do we get this second number? 4 was added to this first number, 5, to make it 9. Now, if you look at this 13, which is the third number here. If you look at this 13, how do we get this 13? 4 was added to this 9. 4 was added to this 9, which makes it 13. Then this 17, how do we come up get this 17? 4 was added to 13 to make it 17. This 21, how do we get this 21? 4 was added to 17 to make it 21. So this pattern of adding 4 to each number, to each term, to get the next term, is what we refer to as sequence. So the pattern we follow, in which adding 4 to each term to get the next term, is what we know as sequence. Is what we know as sequence. So by using this pattern or rule to get all this term, is what we refer to as sequence. Is what we refer to as sequence. So that is basically what sequence is all about. That is the pattern or rule that was followed to get each term in a set of numbers. So that is what we refer to as sequence. That is what we refer to as sequence. So I hope you are able to grab something from this explanation. And if you are still confused, you can drop your question in the comment section. So I'll be responding to every single question in the comment section. So my name still remains Olusegun Abubakar. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.